That was the important thing. He always saw the ball.
And Durant sees the rim. How hot is Kevin? I'll call a pass to Draymond, and Durant follows the miss. Began the game beautifully. But the reserves for Denver been very good. JaVale McGee soaring and slamming off the Curry feed.
The game. He was drafted number 7 in 2015. Has competition with Murray.
JaVale McGee from Curry again. Between the legs, Zaza to Durant. Draymond's hit a couple threes. How about 3? They said Tama Izzo's in the building.
He left a 3-shot come to him, and the next shot he took was a 3. There's a steal.
Steph got a piece.
This is interesting.
Zaza on a foot race. Pachulia wins it.
Oh, everybody's going to come off the bench on that one.
No.
Right, just missed it. You know, his deficiencies in defense.
Steph with a steal.
Help cover up.
And Steph with a 3. And Steph was fouled. Have yourself a sequence. For in Minnesota are my teams in the West that I'm keeping the closest eye on.
Well,
as far as young teams improving, as Steph hits a 3.
Yeah, he's feeling it all now. Made Lyles think about it.
Vail with a nice rebound. As Curry with the 3-point play and another foul.
Again.